All right, so we're going to go back to question number 2. What hit the tent? We're going to circle our question word at the beginning of our sentence. What hit the tent? All right, Miss Sunken's going to give you some think time. Think back into our story. All right, great thinking. Let's go back into our story, actually, and check our thinking. What hit the tent? Remember, a big wind hit the tent. We're going to write our answer in a complete sentence. So we are going to start. Remember our tripod grip. We're going to begin our sentence with an uppercase letter, A, finger space, B, ig, a big, finger space, wind, W, I, nd. A big wind, finger space, hit, it. And we're going to do a return sweep. Tricky word, the. And we're going to write our last word, finger space, tent. T, e, n, t, tent. We're going to end our sentence with our period. And let's go back and check our answer and make sure it makes sense. What hit the tent? A big wind hit the tent. Last question. What got in the tent? Let's circle that question word, what. What got in the tent? Red ants and a slug, a fish and a frog, a dog and a cat. Good, remember to put your finger on your choice. All right, we're going to go back into our story and again check our thinking. Oh, here we go. Yes. Look at the ants, the red ants and the slug. So if you chose the first choice, your first answer choice, give yourself a quiet clap. Great thinking and remembering of details in a story. We're going to again shade or bubble in that circle, staying very close inside that line, nice and neat. All right, great job today reading, answering, and asking questions. Don't forget to go back and ask questions about the story we read today, The Tent. I also want to encourage you to go back into your reader and read our stories that we've read together in class. The Bad Crab, Anne's Dress, Zach Gets a Pet, On the Mat, Fix That Ship, and of course, The Tent. I can't wait to do another reading lesson with you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.